Hello everyone, this is my second collaboration with tech vloggers, and today I'm gonna talk about my MacBook Pro and why I like working and using it. So the first reason is because it is actually stylish and beautiful. So yeah, it's nice to carry. It's really light compared to other laptops. It's really nice to take it anywhere. The second reason is viruses and updates. I don't have to go through updates every once in a while unless I choose to update my applications and my software. So that's a good thing, and I don't have to care or worry about viruses, so that's a good thing. The last reason is performance. So I've worked with on different systems. I worked on Windows, Linux, and Mac. And my favorite one, Linux is good, but my favorite one is Mac. I've worked most of my projects on this Mac in particular. I bought it 3 years ago and it's still doing wonders. Even for my YouTube channel, all the editing, all the video editing and everything I do on this laptop. So yeah, these are the 3 reasons why I like using my Mac, and I hope to see you in another video. Thank you everyone, bye!